Yo, what's up guys, how are you today? Today I'm going to be unboxing the new Ultra 2 smartwatch. So let's go and unbox this. So here they'll give different types of straps to keep it on, in the screen. So here they give a silver one, orange strap, two black straps, one pink strap, one peach strap and one white strap. So let's go and keep one of the straps in the watch. So now that I got the one of the straps into the watch, now let's turn on the watch. Now that it turned on, now let's see how the screen. You can keep the apps. There are many apps like WhatsApp, calculator and many more. So that's it for today's video. Please like, comment and subscribe for more unboxing videos.